SWAN's dramatic arrival. What does it look like when the impossible streaks across the sky? On September 12, 2025, we found out. The SWAN instrument, a Solar Wind Anisotropies sensor aboard the SOHO spacecraft, flagged a new object blazing a path through the inner solar system. The first data sets, analyzed by teams led by SOHO project scientist Bernhard Fleck, were staggering. The object possessed a tail stretching nearly 2.5 degrees across the sky, about 5 times the width of a full moon. To put that in perspective, a tail of that magnitude suggests a hydrogen outgassing rate hundreds of times greater than a typical long-period comet. Its initial brightness was clocked at magnitude 7.4, luminous enough to be seen with backyard telescopes from a distance of over 150 million kilometers. This wasn't some faint smudge, this was a spectacle. News ignited across astronomy networks, and just 2 days later an amateur observer captured a jaw-dropping image showing a streak so immense it barely fit the camera's frame. It was too big, too bright, and its trajectory was already looking far too precise. The raw energy output required to generate such a visible display at that distance was the first red flag that this was something entirely new.